Hello, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. I'm your Mr. Professional Hacker, and now start our lecture. Here you need to type toolkit because now our fourth lecture on social engineering toolkit. Okay, you need to type here too. Then our today portion is tabnabbing attack method. First, I need to tell you what is tabnabbing attack lab setup. Tabnabbing is a social engineering and phishing attack method that targets users who have multiple tabs open in their web browsers. Attackers manipulate inactive tabs by changing their control, e.g. Like that, modifying a legitimate login page to trick users into entering their credentials or downloading malicious files. How does tabnabbing work? Here's 5 steps. Okay, now first step is, because these all are very important, that's why you need to learn this. User opens a legitimate website. The victim visits a legitimate website such as Gmail, Facebook, or banking portal. Okay. And number 2, attacker's malicious page is opened. A separate attacker control tab is opened in the background, blog or news. A user switch tabs. Number 3, while the victim is active on another tab, the malicious tab detects inactivity. Number 4, malicious page changes content using JavaScript. The attacker's page replaces itself with a fake login page that looks like Gmail, Facebook, or any other trusted website. User returns and enters credentials thinking they were logged out. The victim re-enters their credentials, which are stolen by the attackers. And purpose of tabnabbing: credential theft, capturing usernames and passwords for email, banking, and social media accounts. Number 2, session hijacking, stealing user sessions to access their accounts. Number 3, malware distribution, forcing users to download malicious files disguised as legitimate updates. Now start our practical session. Now here you type a tabnabbing. Okay, now here is 3 portion, same like other previous lecture. Okay, I will tell you about these all, but in previous lecture here is a JavaScript, but today here is a web template custom imports. Okay, custom imports, I will already told about that, what is this. And web templates, it's actually automatic web templates, but it's not working in this portion because this time this feature is closed. Okay, I will show you. Type and you need to read here. You can only use the cloner option with the tabnabbing method. Okay, and now here 2 and now here 4. You need to type here 2. Okay, now you need to read this complete portion. Okay, what he say here, and then you need to type here your real IP address. Here your real Kali Linux IP address, but I type here example IP address. Okay, 1.168.1.100. Hit enter. Okay, now you need to type here http and colon www.facebook.com. It's different in front of previous lecture. Okay, hit enter. Now here what he says, something went wrong, printing the error, no such file or directory. He said about that. Okay, source.js, actually it's create a phishing page, and then when you send this phishing website to victim, okay, when it's open, then it's show complete detail in front of this screen. And how to solve this problem, I will tell you. Okay, now let's move. Little wait. Okay, now first step is, first you need to check here upgradation, everything is upgraded. Now you need to remove here manually if you want to install manually. Okay, then you need to, for example, first I need to type here apt this type. Okay, I need to remove here, remove set. Okay, need wait here please. Now it's removing is complete, just take 1 minute. Okay, now click here and now type here again apt install set. First step is if, because sometimes some file are missing in this, and when you uninstall and then you again install, then everything is fine. But after that, if it's not working and if doing same result, then you need to move on second step. But here is some steps are. Okay, now manually add the missing file. First we need to check this one, file is missing or not. Okay, here I write ls tabnabbing.py. Yes, here is a file is missing, that's why we need to move on next step. Okay, you need to type here dot 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 dot. Okay, now back, hit enter. Now you need to type here same section with nano editor. Okay, because all commands are available in my PC, that's why I just copy and paste. You need to take picture these all commands and then do practice by your hand. Now hit enter. Now I need to type here code and paste here code. Okay, now here is JavaScript code. Here actually copy, you need to take this complete section picture and then same type here with after nano. Okay, then you go in editing portion, then you need to type here same these things because this is a Java code. Okay, now you need to type here control plus X. Okay, control X. Okay, now need Y. Now it's saved. Now hit enter. Okay, now everything is ready. Now manually I added this code in this portion. Okay, now need to permit it. Hit enter. Now everything is ready. Now I check here. Hit enter. Okay, now here you need to type ls. Now here you see source.js is available. Before it's not available, that's why it's not working. Okay, now we need to hit enter, clear our terminals toolkit. Okay, now here type 1, now here type 2, now here type 4, now here type 2, then need, and again I will repeat this portion. Here you need to, when you're doing attack on someone, then you need to type here your Kali Linux real IP address. Okay, then it's working. If you type here wrong IP address, then it's not working. Then you did not get any detail. If you send your phishing website to your victim and he is open your website, but you did not see any detail in your screen. Okay, but I type here example IP address 1.1.100, hit enter, and then http, then type :/www.facebook.com. You need to check any mistake. If not, then hit enter. Now little wait here. Okay, now see here, our portion is almost ready. Okay, now this is actually a sorry, here I type wrong Facebook, but no problem. Okay, now I need to check it's open or not. And again I told you I provide here IP address, example IP address. Okay, and this website is on example IP address. If you type here right IP address, then it's working, and when your victim is open, then you see complete detail in your screen. But if you provide wrong IP address, then your victim type here any login detail, okay, of his account, then you can't see on your screen. Okay, same like that. Okay, if here is I type my IP address, real IP address, then it's working, and then I type here and click on this link, then it's showed here my IP address, showed here my searching, and then if I type here email anything, okay, and then type here password randomly, it's showed here. But now it's nothing show any detail on my screen just because of this IP address. Understand? I hope you understand. Okay, now in this portion you make any type website. Okay, for example I type here, then again I showed you. Okay, here is a custom import. Little wait please. 2 and then hit 4, then hit 2 again. 192.168.1.100. Type here, and now here HTTPS. Okay, www.tiktok.com. Hit enter. Now it's created. Okay, now I will click on it. It's depend on you which website you want to create here and which platform you want to hack with this toolkit. Understand? Now everything in front of this. How I make this, and then you can send by. Now here is TikTok is open. Okay, open. You see here TikTok is open. Okay, when your victim click on this link and then he type here login credentials, okay, using anything, Google, Facebook, or continue, or username, or etc, he type here, you get detail on your screen and then you can log in on your device. Understand? And by using this toolkit, by using this lab setup, you can create any type of social media website and then send to your victim. How to send your victim? You can send your victim by email. Okay, you can send your victim by if you make a SMTP server with register your domain, then you can send by this, and a lot of many other methods. Okay, I hope you understand everything. And then again I type here, and now I click on it, custom. Okay, now I type here net port forwarding. Yes, I want for forwarding. Now here is IP address. Again I type here example IP address, but you need to type here your Kali Linux real IP address. Okay, hit enter. Now net port forwarding. Yes, for forwarding. Okay, now here he asked IP address for the reverse handle payload. Reverse handle payload. You need to type here 1.168.1.100. Hit enter. Okay, now he wants path. Okay, this portion is not available in my PC and I don't know the path, but I type here example path. If it's working, then good. If it's not working, then it showed detail in front of us. Here I type website, same like that, and hit enter. But here what he say? Index error because I provide to his wrong path. Okay, here is index.html not found. Did you just put the path in not file? Okay, existing the social engineering toolkit, because I just here provide to path, not file. Okay, when you type here path, here first step is according to your path home, then type again next folder name, then type where if your file available in this portion. For example, I type here home. Okay, home, then my file available in this portion, example Kali. Understand? Home Kali, it's mean Kali home. Then you need to type here file name. File name is AKBCD etc. Okay, then you type here. Actually this portion you need to type here. Okay, you need to type here. Then when you enter, then it showed result in front of this, and then your phishing link is cloned. Okay, understand? I hope today lecture you like today lecture, and you need to do complete practical. This portion is a very important, and I will teach you practical. You need to do practical by your hand, and I offer paid course. If anyone interested in learning in hacking, I also do hacking and teach hacking completely practical on my this YouTube channel. So please, if anyone interested, can contact me. My all social media links available in my description box. I hope you like today lecture. Let's meet in next lecture. Bundle of thanks.